In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert a video into your Confluence page. Confluence is a powerful collaboration tool used by teams worldwide to create, collaborate, and organize work in one place. Whether you're new to Confluence or looking to expand your skills, this guide is here to help you integrate video content smoothly. Visual content can enhance your team's understanding and engagement, making it a valuable addition to your pages. To get started, navigate to your Confluence homepage. This is typically the first step and the main hub from which you'll access all your workspaces and projects. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to choose the specific workspace where you'd like to add the video. It's important to pick the right workspace because this is where your team will look for the information related to your project or department. After selecting the workspace, you should find the exact page where you want to insert the video. Pages in Confluence act like document sheets where you can store a variety of content types, so selecting the correct page is crucial for maintaining organized and easily accessible information. Click on the page to open it. Once the page is open, look for the Edit button, which should usually be on the top right corner. Clicking this button enables you to make changes to the page content. When you're in Edit mode, you'll notice a range of options on the toolbar. Here, you should see an option that says Add Image, Video, or File. Clicking on this will prompt a drop-down menu or a dialog box that provides options for uploading different types of media. Next, click on the Upload button. This will open a File Explorer window where you can browse and select the video file from your computer. Make sure your video file is in a supported format and is of reasonable size for smooth uploading. After selecting the video, confirm your choice, and you should see the video being uploaded onto the page. This might take a few moments depending on your video file size and internet connection speed. Once your video has successfully uploaded, the last step is to click on the Update button to save the changes you've made to the page. This is crucial. Otherwise, your changes won't be reflected, and the video won't appear to your viewers. After updating, navigate back to the page in View mode to ensure that the video appears as intended. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step walkthrough on how to add a video to a Confluence page. By following these steps, you can enhance your content rapidly, making it more engaging for your team or collaborators. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your next project on Confluence.